Hello everybody, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope that all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. So dear lovely friends, today I have come here at this moment. I would like to say something about in this location. Okay. So dear friends, actually today I have come here because in our paddy field I visit this time. Okay, so you can see this is our paddy field, and actually this paddy, and I cannot watering here because this is the rainy season, so that is why don't watering this paddy field. Okay, so this paddy field actually not water, actually now actually blank. So it's a paddy, so paddy quality actually very well, and after 15 days ago these plants actually planting here at this field. Okay, so dear lovely friends, you can see there are four goats, so you can see and walking on the paddy aisle. Okay, so you can see one hill and village are so very amazing. So I have come here at this moment actually now, and 4 p.m. Indian time, and I today actually weather very sunny and very warm, and now actually weather very cloudy. So you can see very amazing, I think. So dear friends, you can see there are two goats actually eating grass in this field. Okay, so one of them there, this is a color actually white, and another one it's a, I think, red color, and you can see, wow, amazing. Okay, so a lots of cows and all villagers, and they uh, come here in your cows and return to home. Okay, so dear lovely friends, and now I am going to my home. Okay, so because actually I have come here after 30 minutes ago because I visiting in our paddy field, and actually paddy field visiting time, and I am making video for practicing video. Actually it's the very good time for English practicing time, so very well. So that is why I have come here evening time. Actually evening time I am totally free, so that is why I have come any location, any place. Okay, so this is my favorite location and favorite place, so that's why I have come here every day. Okay, so this time actually not any person this feet. Okay, and only and all around side actually blank, and over there one school. Okay, there is a LP school. So my video actually all video I watch this video, and you can see this school, and there is in our village, and now I am standing here village behind side. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.